I'm Leah. I love to explore.
Friends, and welcome to channel Learning with Leah. I'm Leah. And today we're going to be making masks. Are you guys ready? It's going to be so fun. But you'll need a lot of imagination to do this. To turn a plate like this one to a whole mask of imagination. So friends, all that we need for this fun activity, it's a plate, of course, scissors, with help of an adult, a notebook of a lot of colors, glue, pencil, crayons, and markers, or like colors. We'll also need this, or if you don't want to use like a stick, you can use thread. So friends, we all need to think what we're going to do. Which animal? In this case, I'm doing a kitty. And well, the first thing we'll have to do is our pencil and this. And we'll write the cute eyes. So friends, the eyes have to be like that. And when you cut the line, that's where you can see. This time I got one from here. Got one. And I cut them and colored them into 6 pieces. 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Done. So it has to be like this, so we can see from there. And now the fun part. We're going to get the ears. Done. We finished both ears. Now it's time to glue them.
A is for awesome. Look and you will see so many wonders. Come and learn with me.
So now it's like this. And now we just have to color it. We're going to give color to the eyes.
A is for awesome. Look and you will see so many wonders. Come and learn with me.
This is how our work is done. Now, look how our guns work. This is how our work is done. Now we'll stick the cat's mustache. We're going to add 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Let's start.
A is for awesome. Look and you will see so many wonders. Come and learn with me. Leah saw an abacus spinning all around, and crazy little numbers started dancing up and down. 1, 2, 3. A is for awesome.
Well, like this is how it's done.
A is for awesome. The world is so big and so curious. A, open up your eyes. Discover all the wonders. It's a big surprise. Leah saw auroras dancing in the sky, and
Then we stick them in both sides. So now we do dots here, and we'll put this one on. But if you don't want to put this one, that's okay. You can put this one like this. And you go it like this. Like this. But this time, this is better for me. So we start doing it like this, and over here we tie it. And the same in the other side. We tie, and then we grab it and put it down, like this. And we're done with our kitty mask. Are you ready? Meow, 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 meow. of masks. I got my big one, and I got my one. Moo! And I also got this one, and it's an other moo. Moo! Like that. And here's my kitty mask. Friends, well, that's everything for today. If you learn a lot of things today to make your masks, make sure to make a lot of masks, like me. 3 masks. Like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and share. Bye, friends!
Hey, hey, it's time to play. I'm Leah, I love to explore. Learning new things and so much more. Word, color, story, science too. Sing along, there's lots to do. The